Warner, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
It's been sort of a fun day of weather, right? We started off with a mix of sun and clouds, and the clouds rolled in. The winds picked up. We had that period of rain close to noon today. And now we're wrapping up the day with some sunshine, dipping below that deck of clouds. It still sits over the area. 43 right now. Winds still pretty brisk, but not as strong as they were earlier today. If you like windy weather, no worries. It will be back on Friday, and that is going to be a big story, I think, plus the snow that we'll see. Right now, looking at mostly cloudy skies, maybe a few lingering sprinkles. That will continue to sweep east out of the area. Actually, I think we're going to get into a period of mostly clear to partly cloudy conditions this evening before the clouds roll back in by morning. Here's our storm. You can see it taking shape right here. This is going to be spinning its way slowly east into the state of Illinois as we work into Friday. And this is really setting us up for some very interesting weather on Friday into Friday night. The snow, yeah, I mean, it's always interesting to talk about snow, but it's the fact that it's coming with the amount of wind that it's coming with. We're going to have gusts on Friday to 45 miles per hour, and that's going to encompass much of the area. What we'll also find is with this upper level low parked to our east, we're going to have spokes of upper level energy rotating around the back side of that low, generating at least light snow, if not maybe some bursts of moderate snow. So with the wind and the snow, we're going to be looking at reduced visibilities, and where those visibilities are expected to be lowest and the snow heaviest, that's where we have blizzard warnings in effect for northwest Missouri into western Iowa, southwest Minnesota. For our local area, we're looking at a winter weather advisory, but I mean, if you look at the technical definition of a blizzard warning, this almost fits. You got to have frequent gusts at or in excess of 35 miles per hour with visibilities below a quarter of a mile. We may not have visibilities that low, but it's still, again, going to be a pretty close call with this system that comes through on Friday. Our winter weather advisory in effect, that should say 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow. And again, it's for areas basically along Highway 65 north of Springfield, east of Springfield, across areas north of Highway 60. Our wind advisory is in effect for southwest Missouri and northern Arkansas. Again, a wide area expecting gusts to 45 miles per hour with gusts even higher than that back across Kansas and parts of Oklahoma. Here's our forecast. Snow building in by 7 o'clock in the morning, at least north of Highway 54. Expected here in Springfield probably after 9 a.m. And then the rest of the day, we're going to be looking at widespread, mainly light snow, but again, there could be some bursts of moderate snow in there. Temperatures will really not going to have much of a chance to get too much above freezing. Looks like about 33 for the high. And then tomorrow night, you can see how the snow continues before it finally wraps up and heads on out. But we will start our Saturday off with cloudy and cold conditions. This is what you want to see, how much snow. And it looks like we will see a dusting all the way down to about the state line. Here along Highway 60, I'm expecting about a half an inch to an inch of snow. I don't think we're going to see quite an inch here in Springfield, but northeast of Springfield, I do think we could see totals around an inch in northeastern Greene County, and that extends up Highway 65 and east, where general 1 to 2 inches is expected, with local amounts possibly as much as 3 inches. And again, that snow is going to get wind-driven. Saturday looking better. The snow's out. I think we'll see some sunshine in the afternoon with highs up near 37. Low 40s on Sunday, and MLK Day still looks partly sunny with highs up near 50 before we get into another wet stretch by the middle of next week.
Okay, just be aware tomorrow. That wind sure is going to be whipping the snow around.
I mean, if you were out and about today, the wind was pretty strong. I expect it to be even stronger tomorrow.
Okay, good to
Weather
know.
aware. All right, Jamie.